Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I divide both sides by dx. Next, y square, s square, they are discrete number 2. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that I will do first the derivative for the both sides. First, the derivative of v, we have number 1 dv over dx multiplied by s. First, the derivative of s, we have number 1. So we have v, and this is about the product rule of the derivative. Now, about y, we change by vs. This one we change by this one. Next, we simplify s squared for the both sides. Next, I will put this one go to the right and we divide both sides by this one. Next, I will put v go to the right and we have negative v. Now, we do common denominator. So this one, we have 2v plus 9v squared. So negative 3v, negative 2v, we have negative 5v. Negative 6v squared, negative 9v squared, we have number 15. Now I will put this one go to the left, the s and s go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we concentrate on this one. We can do about factorization by 5v. Next, I will put number 5 cone here. Now, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over v plus b over 1 plus 3v. Now we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about 1 plus 3v. So capital A multiplied by 1 plus 3v. About this one, it is missing about v. So capital B multiplied by v. And now we need to arrange based on the terms of v. So we have b and 3a in here. About the numbers, we have 8. Now we need to compare coefficients. So we see that this one, that is about v. V we have 9 over 5. 8, that is about 2 over 5. Now we need to find the solution of A and B. Now we put A and B go back in here. So 8 equals to 2 over 5. B equals to 3 over 5. And now we have the final answer. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, that is about Fn of the absolute value of s. About v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.